Okay, wow, look like yesterday was interesting. So, looks like GJ is still in this little zone that we had, which is nice to see. So I'm not going to really do a fresh analysis because it's still in this crappy zone. The one thing you have now is look at this 4-hour time frame. Oof, no bottom wick. Looks very good to continue down at some point. So, I mean, sells below 162.270 I think would be enough for me, because then you'd be coming down to break the low of the previous hourly. I mean, yeah, sells below 162.170 would be, I think, nice.
What's up, boys?
Some Daiso, I just saw your messages on Telegram. I'll answer them after this one, man.
Oh, good, bro. Yeah, I didn't know if you just get spammed and might not see them, you know?
Nah, I've got it. Don't you worry about it.
Man, boy.
So, let me just put this on. So, yeah, I'm really interested in taking these GJ sells because the 4 hours closed bearish below again. Very strong. It's made the top wick now. Now if this flips, it's going to drive and fill that wick. So, yeah, very, very nice. If I got into a sell there, that's 15 pips. Yeah, that's nice. So, yeah, I think for me, it's going to be sells below. Sells below 162.270. So that's what I'm gonna wait for. I think maybe in the next 15 minutes or so, maybe in the next 30 minutes. Oh, this 30 minutes just made a top wick right now. Stop loss above the 30-minute right now would be 8 pips. Oof. You see that? 8 pipperoonies. Hourly closed bullish, which kind of sucks, but if it breaks that hourly low at 170, should be good to continue down. Good morning, great day to trade GJ. Yeah, some news coming at 12 o'clock, so yeah, I might not move before then, we'll see. I have a feeling it's probably going to wait for that, so that'll be interesting. What time is that at? 12 o'clock, yeah. So let's take a look at the extra pairs. I'll get rid of this and this. So wow, look like gold launched 7:30. It made a little low wick and then just went boom. Oh, nice. Did anyone try and catch it? How were spreads and stuff? Were they okay? Okay, this is daily. There you go here. Oh, 40 pips, nice. That ain't too bad. 40 pips. Pretty much instantly. Oh. I was away, I was busy. Can I send you a chart on this chat and can you tell me if it's good? Yep. Send me a chart, man.
Yeah, market was nuts yesterday. Went up and then went down and then went up again. It was fucking nuts.
Graduate 240k, yeah, so
it's always like that when power speaks.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw Raja. He got in on the 15-minute. I think he got in there, which makes sense. So you'd get in there with stop loss below the current, I'm assuming. Yeah, like 33 pips. That's what you would do. Worked nicely. I'm so ill right now, guys, so I apologize. Yeah, last night I just got really fucking ill. I don't know, but my fucking windpipe is, suffocating me right now. It's so fucking closed. Okay, so yeah, for Goldie right now, very, very bullish, as you can see. The 4-hour time frame making a lower wick. Yeah, actually, the 4 hours making a lower wick. If this flips over here, it should continue to 1905, which is enough room. Take a look where this is on the 50-minute. You can just see over here where you'd want it. I think gold buys above 1802 there would be nice. Buys above 1902.56. Beautiful. And sells, I mean, nothing yet. You know, I'll probably just wait for the buys, to be honest with you, because the higher time frames now are so bullish after the news. Yeah, it would have worked out nicely. Oh, the news was, yeah, interesting. Max, I'm looking to sell GJ under 162.110. 110. Yeah, good idea. Great idea. If it breaks these lows, where's it going to continue? Yeah, to at least there, which is 20 pips away, which is rather nice. That's a great idea. Hopefully it can do that. Very, very nice. Yeah, we'll see about that. There's no bottom wick on gold, so just sell it. Sell it all.
I just got a risk-free trade on AJ, 1 hour flip. It was a really good zone.
Nice. So let's take a look at AJ now. So daily time frame.
I was going for that as well, but I just missed. I didn't have time. I just sat at my PC and I was like, yes, and then boom, it went off. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, I'm currently like 7.3 pips up, and it's break even for me, so all good for the morning.
Look at the 1 hour, 30 minutes. So yeah, the higher time frames, 4 hours looking good. The only issue I'd say is that it's not got really clean zones now to get in like right now. But where you guys got in, that's good.
The Bank of Australia raised its interest rate.
Yeah.
Quite surprisingly, actually, because they raised it more than expected, and that's why it's going up.
Yeah. Let's take a look then. So we had resistance here. So the first TP would probably be there. Oh, you got in there? Very nice.
Yes, there.
Very nice.
And my TP is up above, like on those candles up.
Yeah. Oh,
this was just like break-in zone for me. Break-even zone, sorry.
Yeah.
Where price currently sits.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, I'm jealous on that one. Damn. Moved nicely. I was looking at GJ. I'm like, bro, GJ's gonna fly down soon. But nice. Did you watch the match yesterday? Yeah, I did. Oh my god, C's kissed. They just didn't finish the game off. They didn't finish the game off the first time. They didn't finish the game off the second time. They need a fucking Haaland to just twat them in. So yeah, looking like the hourly, I mean, it hasn't broken the high of the previous yet. 30-minute hasn't broken either. 50-minute is just in a little consolidation range. You can see here, right? Just in a little consolidation range. That's okay. Sells below 270, gonna be nice, or sells below 110 here, which should be flipping the 4-hour time frame. Yes, 4 hours, got no bottom wick. Still got 2 hours and 50 minutes left, so please, there's enough time. Good morning. May you please come again on gold? Is there bullish hope? Is there bullish hope? Yes, later on at 1902. Above 1902. Where are we going to continue if it breaks above 1902? A little bit choppy there. But we did say probably 1905, 1906. Take a look at the 30-minute. Take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's got this choppy area. It may just continue to 1908 straight away with this big, nice, clean wick. But yeah, the left hand side isn't the nicest there. I'll probably mark up here. Somewhere there. Yeah. So that would be pretty cool. Max, I'm trying to send the chart, but it's not working. Yeah, you need to send me not the full address, just the last kind of bit. Like what people do on registry. So yeah, I mean, at the moment, I can't see much yet, but it looks like there's going to be some opportunities. For AJ, I don't really like it too much. I would have got in there if I was actually looking at it, but I was looking at GJ. But now, because we're at the 4-hour resistance, pretty much now, and the daily resistance, yeah, don't really want to be buying into that, I don't think. You got the daily flip as well, that was nice. If you look at like this, yeah, that's clean. That was clean. I'm very jealous. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah, so gold. I saw it wick. Yeah, so I wonder who got twatted on that wick. Oh, it looked like it came up, then rinsed all the way back down, then went boom.
Yeah, I didn't take the trade after that. Same trade that Russia took, just because of that long wick. It pushed all the way down and then all the way up, just like in a blinking of an eye. And I thought, no. This is too risk. No.
Yeah. Risque. Risque. So, let's look at this. Yeah. So we just gotta wait for the volume to kick in, and then we should be pretty good for this GJ to continue down. But yeah, guys, I hope you were all good and chilling in NY session yesterday, because it was just ranging the whole time. So, did you guys, pay attention that it was ranging and just leave it alone, or did you try and take some trades? Did you lose any trades in NY yesterday? If so, it's probably because you were in a range.
We were actually all just chatting and relaxing, having a bit of fun.
Yeah, it was just ranging, right? Went fishing yesterday. Ooh, nice. Not consider gold fake out back in the range for buys. Oh yeah, I know what you mean here. No, because the hourly closed bearish below, so this could be making the top wicks then drive down. So yeah. But yeah, the higher time frames on GJ look kind of nice. Such a nice zone to fill as well. Oh, if I can mimic these candles today, then we're gonna get a nice little trade right there, which will be good. Hi Max, would you be able to explain how you placed the daily 4-hour, well, how I placed it? You go on the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, just give me this. You go on the 4-hour time frame, you get your horizontal line tool here. You click on the flip, which is there, and then you have to write on this. I've saved it because I can't be asked to write it every time, so I just do that, and I change the font because the font's too small, and there you go. John probably shoots them. He just gets his AK out. So look at like GG.
Next, apologize.
Huh?
Sorry, man.
What?
Apologize, I didn't follow up when you were speaking about GJ. I showed up later. Are we waiting for 4-hour flip?
Yeah.
Before selling?
Yeah, below 270, I think, or 110, depending on how far it pushes. Yeah. I mean, it looks like he's coming back in the zone, but I just don't trust these buys, right? I don't trust them, so I'll just see. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame again. And the daily. Oh, the last daily closed bullish actually. So yeah, I mean it's still in this crappy zone though. Ah, that's where this was. I knew it was to the left.
Yeah, I told you to put the chart on the daily.
Yeah, it was there. I thought I was pretty close. It's fucking miles away. Okay, let's take a look. I'm going to buy gold if the 30-minute closes bullish on gold to retest its high. Okay. So if the 30-minute closes, I mean, yeah. I mean, fair enough. I'm just gonna get a little push later on, but if it flips this 4-hour and stuff, then yeah, it's gonna continue to 1805. That'll be quite nice. So yeah, looks good. So now, I mean, GJ's broken the previous 30-minute highs, coming back into the zone, which kind of sucks. But I mean, do you expect GJ to do this today? Well, yes, probably, because why? Well, we've got news at 12, and it's the interest rates again, just like what fucking US did. So if GJ ranges until then, it would not surprise me. It would not surprise me in the slightest. Which entry models are you using for entry? The models that I made, that I drew from backtesting. So yeah. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, maybe GJ might not do it this time yet, because that news coming in at 12 o'clock is pretty important. So we'll have to see. Thanks. I actually meant like how do you know where to place them on the flips? You put the 4-hour and the daily flips on the 4-hour flip and the daily flip. So look, 4-hour time frame. The flip of the current candle is there. Daily flip. Oh shit! I actually don't even have it right on the daily flip. Sorry. There. Let me move it from last day. The current candle daily flip. Looking like Goldie's coming up. A lot of volume coming. Very, very nice. To look at the 4-hour. 4 hours just flip bullish. Very nice. I mean, if this 30-minute closes above, don't see why not. So that'll be interesting. Max, I've sent it. Okay, let's take a look. In here. No, you've not. No, you've not. So yeah, we'll see. Looking kind of nice. I just really wanted to fill that wick there. It'd be kind of nice. Not wick, sorry. Follow that little clean candle. GU is much better than GJ. Overall? I have to disagree. Milan, do you agree with that or not?
Yeah, GU is the best guy.
GU is the best pair. GU runs like shit. It runs like once every 2 weeks. And if you miss it, then it just chills.
Just check the zone, GU, so clean.
What was I gonna look at? Oh yeah. The fuck am I doing my phone? So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, sorry, I might cough a little bit because I'm fucking ill as shit. I don't know why. This morning I just felt it, like, oh my god. But money doesn't sleep, so gotta get up. I really hope this GJ flips and continues down.
should really try some tea with ginger, Max.
Yeah.
Because ginger is very good for the throat. And I know you cough every single day. So you should really try ginger.
Tastes like fucking dog's balls, though.
Yeah, it does. I actually quite like ginger, actually, and like shit. It gives you a bit of a kick up the ass. It's the same with yeah, like ginger and honey, like in a tea thing. Oh, kind of nice. So yeah, that was kind of like support forming on the hourly time frames all the way down here at 4 a.m. Wow. The Aussie guy's accent kills me. Yeah. Trust me, it's a blessing. Every single day, just come on, sit with the boys and girls and just vibe. All different accents is hilarious. We're all just fucking about with each other.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate. But yeah,
That AJ was clean.
It was,
Still
man.
we miss that.
I know. Someone should have fucking told me a 7. It was clean. You should have closure above on the support, a lower wick. So let's take a look. Would you have had your stops there? Yeah, I might have just used that stop there. 5 pip stops. 12 pip gain. That was kind of nice. Need subtitles for Aussie guy. What, really? Don't understand him? That's mine. I always think Australian's quite easy to understand. I don't find it hard at all. There's not one thing that I've heard you say and I go, can you say that again? Whereas sometimes fucking Jason, I'm like, what the fuck did he just say there? Aussies, it's all good. So wow, looking like gold tapped the previous resistance and was like, nope, not yet. Retraced. What Wakanda accent is the best? Ooh, a little bearish structure coming in over here, nice. So, I mean, yeah, still look at this 30-minute candle closing in 7 minutes time. But as I say, like, you know, I don't really like these kind of candles. A little bit of rangy, so I'd rather just wait for cleaner zones. 250 people in already, man. Easy work, easy. But yeah, I'm excited for next week. Is next week a quiet a week? Let's take a look. This week has been very, very, you know, hard with the news. It just waits for news, and so if you guys haven't taken many trades this week, you know, don't worry about it. Let's take a look at next week. Ah, yes, next week's much better. Yeah, next week's gonna be much better. So yeah. The markets love that the Fed won't raise rates any more than 0.5% each time. Yeah, they're just gradually doing it, right? They're just gradually doing it. What is Sage in the chat? What do you think about why the fuck was De Bruyne getting taken off and like Fernandinho was coming on and shit? It's like, bro, Fernandinho absolutely fucked that game. He's too old. He should have scored, but he couldn't move his leg quick enough in the back post. He shouldn't have been on that pitch. Like, come on, not having De Bruyne on in that last 20 minutes just made you suffer so bad. Did you trade
Just
last
plastic
night?
club.
Plastic club.
City is just plastic. Nothing else. No heart. No history.
They do have heart though. They're nah, I didn't see them give up. I know Real Madrid never. I mean, Real Madrid fucking. That's 3 times now that they've pretty much. I'll be like, yeah, they've lost, and then they've came back. Like, what? Did you trade
Yeah,
last
they
night?
deserve it this year.
Yeah.
You really do.
So take a look then. Let's take a look at this 15-minute. Yeah. So you can see there is just this little bit of resistance right here. Right in this area that's just holding. Just fine. 240 people already at fucking 20 past 7. Jesus. Oh my god. You stream every day, yes. Think Liverpool will crush Real. Well, that was the reason why I wanted City to get through, because City Liverpool will be a tight game, whereas I just have a feeling Liverpool are gonna fucking dominate. Did you see Courtois' save as well from Grealish's shot? Oh my god, he's a sick keeper. He's massive. It's literally his boot touched the ball. Oh my god, it's literally saved your Champions League, holy shit.
Where is he playing now? I only know him because his aunt lives in the village I used to live in. So he sometimes came in the pub for a coffee.
Oh yeah, he's at Real Madrid. He's been there whiles now. Yeah, he's massive, isn't he? Like 6'7" or something. What's your name, bro? My name is Max. Maxi Taxi. Oh yes, GJ's coming back down. Nice. Give me that volume.
Yeah, AJ's reversed like crazy as well.
Yeah. So let's take a look then. Yeah, you would have taken your money in round. Did you take some money here, Stefan?
Yeah, I took 1%.
Good lad, good lad. Makes sense, tapping them resistance levels there. Liverpool went to the final without facing any strong team. Real faced all the candidates who were going to win. Oh no, one of my mates was saying last night. Yeah, do you know Trent Alexander? Oh, sorry, fucking hell, his name. But you know, Trent, at right back, he is gonna have a horrendous time with that Vinny Jr. man, because he's rapid. He's rapid. If Trent gets high, too higher up, he's gonna have a fucking horrendous time getting back. That's what they're gonna look out for. Wow, who took some impulse buys on gold over here? I wonder who did it. Who took the buys here? Instantly just got clapped. How long have you been trading? Since I was 16, 17. Somewhere around there. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, I went to the gym yesterday and damn, I am aching. City Liverpool played semi-final without Raheem. Yeah. Raheem came on, but he's just, sometimes he has an effect and sometimes he just doesn't, like, at all. It's normally when he's playing the striker position, he's way too small. Mate, next season you've got Haaland in there, bosh. Beautiful. So I'm liking this GJ. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. How much account size is good to start? $100, $200, $200 I'd say. But it depends on how much money you've got, because you're gonna lose all of the money that you put in at the start. So $200 is a good amount to lose and go, yeah, you know what? I just lost 200 quid. That kind of sucks. But like £50 is like not enough to go like to kind of realize that this is like a hard game. You'll just end up putting more in. Oh, look at Goldie, man, flipping the 30-minute time frame, pushing down. Shit. Where should it probably couldn't come down to now on the 30-minute time frame? It should come to 1896. Interesting. Would I have wanted to get into cells? Not really. The higher time frame starting to change a little bit bullish. Once a move happens, would you consider the other ones before it denied? I have no idea what that means. Okay, so 15 minutes, 50-minute close bearish, still below this resistance line, so that's fine. Buys above, I mean, you could take cheeky buys above here if you wanted to, back in the zone. Maybe breaking the previous hourly highs could be okay, but I'm really hoping for these sells over here. Thank you very much for subscribing. Yeah, so we're going to do the simulation tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's going to be the simulation. Yeah, I said today, but actually I meant tomorrow. I need some more rest after this fucking horrendous cough. So we'll just do it tomorrow instead. So there we go. The 30 minutes flipped is closed bearish. Nice. Actually, let me take a look what this 30-minute close like. 30 minutes still closed bullish on GJ. If it breaks that high, it's probably going to push and continue. But we'll see for these sells. I feel like I'm going into the Gulag 2.0 now. Oh, the Gulag is coming. It was 9 pips in the high. That could be interesting. But as I say, it's just in this little bit of zone over here. Hufflepuff has a strong defense than a Gryffindor. Fucking hell. Let's take a look. Gucci Love, what are you on about? He just goes, bro, we gotta do better, I'm out. It's like, what do you mean? I haven't taken a trade, you fucking donut. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, it's continuing down over here. Very nice. I was very tempted to go, oh, it's made that little top wick over here. If this reflips, stop loss above, could be a little bit cheeky in the area. Going down, breaking the lows. I'll probably put stop loss to break even there. How much should that be? Yeah, like 7 pips. Very nice. Let me just do this. Yeah, I'm just gonna give people a little bit of warning about these sells soon. Sells, sells, sells. This would be an opportunity as well, getting into sells today in these areas where they can run more than 10 pips. So, yeah, be ready for that as well. If you guys want to hold on, look at the hourly. The hourly's rejected the previous zone, so looking good. Look at the 4-hour time frame now. It's looking nice. You know, this is what I wanted to predict. I'm always looking to see how I can get into a trade, and this 4-hour time frame is gonna look nice. Look at this. Very good, very nice. Oh man, that 15 there. Oh, nice.
Max, sells where? I'm not sure.
Below 270 or below 100.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The reason why I say 270 is because it's a clear support. Can you see here we tapped it? So if you close like right there, the zone there is 14 pips. It's actually kind of still big enough. And then if we get the flip there and the 4-hour, we should drive. Yeah.
Yeah, but this is also making a week on 1 hour.
Yeah, but yeah, you're right. I'll probably still wait for the hourly. I have a feeling that this 15 is probably not going to close below.
Yeah, 1 hour, 4 hour
But,
is still bull.
Yeah.
How big a stop are you looking to put?
Well, so if we got a closure, let's just say theoretically we got a closure here. This next candle opens up, and then push down. That'll be the stop. So just be the top wick of that candle, whatever it is. Oh yeah. So it'll be like 10, 20 pips. Sorry, 10, 12 pips maybe. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Yeah, wow, AJ coming back into this crappy area. Don't really like it there, to be honest. Let me just put my little support there as well. So it looks like GJ right now is the only kind of option right now. Let's take a look at Daniel on it today. Oh, he's in a buy over here.
No, he's still waiting to get in.
Oh. Why is he got his little things there? Why doesn't he just take them off? Oh. Interesting. So, has it broken the low of the previous 30? Yes, it has. Very nice. Hourly flipping. London Open has been bullish this week. Yeah. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if it can move. We'll have to see. Oh yeah, I need to book Doctor Strange tonight. God dang. Forgot about that. I forgot about that. It got an it got, take a look what rating it got. 7.7, 7.7, and that's not too bad. Not too bad. Very good. GU broke 30-minute structure, waiting for closure below 1.5242. Nice. Very nice. Oh, is Goldie gonna come back up over here? Yeah, for Goldie, I'm just waiting for that closure above on 15 or 30. Gold fake out. It's not. What's it faking out of? It didn't really break anywhere. You can only see that the 30 minutes closed below here, but it hasn't closed yet, so it hasn't faked out yet. Same with the hourly. See Raja Gold to trade yesterday. Recently, a lot of his trades have been off stream. Yeah, all of his trades have been off stream. Is a 1k account enough to trade? Yes, not to live off, but yeah, enough to trade for sure. So if it's not perfect, I will just wait for this 8 o'clock candle, because it'll give me the volume that I need. Should I compound it? Yep, go for it. Compound it as much as you like. Oh yeah. Oh, is Champion Pip's not on today? Just check. He might not be. Or should I deposit more monthly? Bro, these questions are useless, right? You know, me telling you what you should do with your finances and trading is completely stupid. You need to think of yourself. So, if you have £1,000 in your bank account and you want to put in £1,000 in your trading account, so you've got £0 in your bank, then that is a stupid idea. So I'd say put in 10%. Sorry, not 10%. Putting in, you know, a bit of money that you're happy to lose, and then yeah, compound it. If you want to add more money in every month, do that. If you can financially, then do that as well. But there's no point in me telling you what to do with your money. Those are the questions that you have to ask yourself, not just me. Okay, here from the podcast. Oh, amazing! Yeah, make sure to follow that. Watch that podcast, guys. We've been lacking on the views there. I'm pissed off, man. We should get some more views on that. So, 1 second. It's nice, like after a long day, just chilling, watching a little bit of a podcast. Where is it? Yeah. The Culture Shift podcast.
More counterproductive.
So yeah, we go through the journey, all that kind of stuff. So I'll give you guys that link. The link. There's the link over here. Beautiful. So yeah, I mean, you know, I'm not jumping in anything yet. Why? Well, because look at the 30-minute time frames. They're just printing sideways. Even though it looked kind of promising there, gotta chill. People in the chat over here, I want you guys to send me more charts. Okay, people in the chat, send me more of your charts every single day. I want to see it, boy. Who the hell is it? Michael. Oh my god. Very, very nice.
50 or 60 bucks account.
Nice.
And without 10 bucks.
Oh, is that the new account?
Yeah, I forgot about that account.
Yeah. I'm worried about selling into 1 hour support. Let's take a look. Writer to. Would you?
Yeah, so that's the only thing I was worried about. The 1 hour support you want to sell to is only 15 pip range, so you can squeeze partials, right?
Yeah.
But I just see a bit of a bullish turnaround.
Yeah, I mean, I also agree. If we get a closure above there.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. It's the same. It's the same view, really.
It's actually in 3 minutes. Shit. Would you take this? Let's take a look at the 30-minute.
Because it's clean up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just 1 week. I mean, 1 week is done. We'll fill the week, and then we'll be, halfway there.
Yeah.
All depends. We've got to just see what open does. 1 hour candle already.
Yeah, that's true, Potato Head, man. I'm just joking. Don't worry about it, man. Good questions. They're good questions to start off, for sure. But I think 1,000 is way too much. I'd say 200, because you're gonna lose it all pretty much instantly. I'm telling this from experience. You have to learn the rules of it. So we'll see. So I may have to wait for the hourly. Looks like, yeah, closing in 2 minutes time, looking like it's probably not going to close anywhere. If it does break that high, that'll be an impulsive trade, but it may work out, which would be kind of nice. YouTube algo, put me on your feed. What is going on? Oh my god, I'm so ill. My throat. Gold sells at 18.98 at 30-minute time frame. Let's take a look. 18.98. I don't know. I just think I'm gonna wait for the buys on gold. The 4-hour time frame is very, very strong. It's just making the lower wick to then drive later on, and it's gonna come to 19.06. So I'm probably just gonna wait until we get above over here. I don't really get how anyone trades support and resistance, to be honest. Ah, nice. Well, you've came to the right place.
Max, on gold, if you go on 1 hour, you can see that the price stepped on 1 hour support.
Right there.
Yeah, so it's probably going to continue up. I mean, probably, of course.
Yeah. I mean, even if it doesn't do it now, it's just going to come down and make a support and then continue up later on, which also would be nice. Selling gold is not a good idea as you're selling into daily buying pressure. Exactly. Keep with the trend. The trend right now in gold is bullish. In the past days, to be honest with you, the actual trend as a whole is still kind of bearish in the past zones. Hasn't really broken out of this little channel yet. Hopefully with that news from last night, we should continue. Make sure to like the stream there, guys, if you haven't already. Run up them likes. It is 7:45 now, coming towards London Open. Let's take a look then. So 15-minute time frame closed bearish, back in this zone again. So for me, it's going to be quite easy for this next 50-minute candle. We either get a closure above for buy, or we get a closure below for sells. And I'll take them there, or I'll take them... Oh my god. So I'll take them there, or I'll take them at 100 here if they close further down there. So
if the 4 hour flips, we've got some juice. You know what I mean? Because 4 hours closed below. Now we've got the top week. So it is 4 hour trend is bearish for me, but lower time frames is a little sus.
yeah. This would be safe for sells, right? Oh yeah. Gold to the moon. Gold to the moon. Gold is going to the moon, man. Gold is, if it breaks the highs at 1902, it's gonna be good. Let's take. What time do you wake up daily, Max? Any specific morning routine? I drag myself out of bed, sit on this chair, and do this live stream for 2 hours, and get a coffee. But then after, I go and do yoga. Normally do a simulation most days, or we do once or twice every week. And then at 12 o'clock, we'll do the NY session. Do that until like 2 o'clock, and then we chill for the day. Okay, so thank you. I watched your interview. It was so dope. First, when I came in your stream in the start, I thought you were a funny guy, but deep down, you're very smart and humble after the podcast. Yeah, man. And you gotta have some humor as well. You can't just sit in here and be fucking boring. Jesus Christ. Make myself go bored. I go into some people's streams and I'm like, oh my god. Even if you're taking like, class trades, you are hella boring. You are next level boring.
Yeah, in that podcast when you said I was always trading on the higher time frames, and I was wondering why are people taking profit with 10 pips?
Yeah.
That's exactly why I started watching you.
Yeah.
Because I was also thinking, what the fuck, 10 pips? Nothing. My
Yeah.
stop is 5 times bigger than that.
Exactly. I was in like last year of A levels, and I just saw these fucking nerds. It was basically Mac, Raja, and I'm pretty sure Ted was really there as well. So Mac, Raja, and Ted all sitting on Twitch, like just absolutely creaming themselves. Like they just took a 10-pip trade. I'm like, what? They've only just got 10 pips. Who the hell cares about that? And then that's when it all started. That's when it all started. So yeah. Let me just do this. So yeah, we can see. We'll see. Let's take a look. Max, do you have a certain preferred percentage of a wick length? 30-50% of the candle? No, I mean as long as it's like, it depends on the previous candle. So normally, if the candle before has already made a nice big wick, then the candle you're entering on won't have a big wick really, because it's already done it. So, yeah, that's kind of a bit of a one that we look at quite a lot. So, for example, here, if this is very, very bearish and I want to take sells, if I'm getting into a trade when this breaks the low, like there, this top wick I expect to not be that big because the previous one was so big. Normally gets that little push. So yeah, 10 pips a day keeps the 95 away for sure. You do know that 10 pips can be a lot of your risk managed can be a lot if you risk managed correctly. Yes, I know. The podcast was about when I started trading. Now this is what I get. I get 10 pips every day. Well, on average. Let's take a look then. So, the start of May, haven't taken many trades because this has been a very aggressive week because of the news. However, I've taken 2 break-evens, which ran to 9 pips, which kind of sucks, both of them. And then we got a W over here, which ran nicely. I also took a gold trade as well, and yeah, so not too bad to start off the little month over here. No rush, no rush. Especially in the week where there's so much news, you know, I'm chilling out. Hey Max, what is good wick back? I'd say on average that, you know, the bigger, like the best top wick for me would be about 6 pips or 7 pips. Yeah. Sir, buy or sell. The gulag's coming, I can feel it.
Send the signal.
I'm sensing the gulag. It's morphing into the gulag.
They just want to see that long or short to on screen.
Yeah. And when you take a loss, they're just gonna be like, "You fucking suck, bro." Ask a crystal ball. So that gold is re-flipping again. 8 minutes left for this hourly to close. The hourly's going to close pretty bearish. But as I say, you know, I like keeping with the trend on gold. I'm just going to wait for support to form somewhere to then ride it back up. I don't trust these sells. I mean, it doesn't mean they can't push down like 30 pips, but I just know that the buys are going to be much easier coming back up than they are right now. So like something like this later on maybe. Jesus Christ. Load up the pictures, boy. Yeah, so where the hell is support forming? Oh, there. Yeah, something like that. So price is going to continue down at a certain level, then start to make some support, and then I'm just going to ride it back up to the highs, which would be there. So that's all I'm really looking for. I see some familiar names here. Yeah, some I think some control people that go on controllers come to London as well. So yeah, I mean, I really want to closure above or below on this. I'm kind of getting ready for both. Looks like maybe the buys might be more sufficient over here. But as I say, if you haven't taken loads of trades, you know, this week, you know, don't worry about it, because there's been a lot of news. So yeah, I'm gonna write this buy signal. I'm not gonna lie, it could be kind of buy soon, maybe in 7 minutes time. So yeah, like if you're in the signals, you get a lot more what's it called? You get a lot more time for the signals now. When I have a little more time, give you a bit of, you know, like 10 to 15 minutes starting to say like what I'm looking for, and then you're gonna be ready to execute, even if you're not on the charts. So yeah, 162.763. Can you see there? It's probably the perfect target. So let me just do 710 there. So yeah, we'll see. But you have the power to unblock. Wait, Sales 1 got blocked on controllers. Oh my god. $3 AM, you're up at 3 AM. Fuck. Let me just write. I've literally got a GJ buy signal and a sell signal just fucking sitting here. I'm like, one's gonna play out pretty nicely. Just gotta wait for the closures, and we're gonna be good. There we go. So we'll see. 5 minutes left. 4 hour has no bottom wick on GJ. Exactly. That's why I want the sells, you know, the most. But I mean, If price does close above this little resistance here, it's going to continue. There's clean candles to the left. Can you see every time we've broken above here, we've moved up kind of nicely. You see here, here, and here. So clean candles, so you expect when price gets into this area again, it's going to move kind of nicely. So I'm going to be ready to take that. You get me. So we'll see. 80 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Coming towards the London Open. But as I say, if there's still no setups this day, it wouldn't surprise me because there is still interesting news for GBP at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So yeah, so something like this in the next 3 minutes. Nice solid closure above, nice lower wick.
What you looking at, Max? Buy on GG?
Yeah.
I don't like the 4 hour.
No, neither do I, but I just like the zone it's coming into. And I like how the hourlies actually close back in the zone, so. But yeah, the 4 hour just kind of sucks.
They're doing the retest. That's selling position. They're doing the retest and no bottom wick, as I see.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. I think that closure above is going to be okay. How many pips in GJ will you be trying to catch? Probably, because it's kind of counter trend right now. Probably, 80% at like 11, 12 pips, and then the rest is 20. Do you take any trade during FOMC? No, I kind of just chilled. Wasn't on the charts. I was away on my phone, like I was out with my mates, and I'm not taking trades like that. Hell no. I hate taking trades on my phone now. I have to do it on the computer, so just do a little discipline. Do 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 do. There's no bottom wick on this 4 hour wick, but I feel it, bro. Yeah. Well, this 30-minute candle, the amount of low, it's tapped the previous low as well. I mean, yeah, if you guys don't want this, it's very counterintuitive because, the 4 hour did close below, very strong. But I just think if we get a nice closure above over here, we've got clean candles, it's worth. As long as I get a nice lower wick, then I don't see why not. Also, the stops is going to be like 12 pips in the previous. That's still going to be pretty good. So, yeah. Stop is going to be at 376. So we'll see. Cheers, Nav. See you later, my man. Hope you have a good little sleep. Okay, so the 50-minute time frame is breaking the previous highs, which is good to see. For continuation now to close. But if it doesn't close, it's bullish and above in the next minutes, then damn, gonna be a shame. Would you look for sells if gold closed below the range? Nope. There's no range to close below. It's already done that, like here. I'm just waiting for buys later on. Buys later on. With gold, just keep with the trend. There's no point getting rid of these little shitty reverse trades for like 10 pips. Just wait for the reverse. Ah, it's a shame. 36 seconds left. Has it closed above? Nope. Has it closed below? Nope. So, still waiting patiently. I have no idea if this is going to be a buy or a sell, but all you got to do is wait. That's the good thing about trading. Oh. 17 seconds left. Oh my god, it's going to do it. Oh. Impulsive break of the highs from for me, it didn't close above, so I ain't taking that risky. 30-minute didn't close above either, so impulses of breaking the highs, nice, but for me, I am not taking that. This can reverse very, very quickly. Hasn't closed above, so save your bullets. Look at that. Oh, yes! I hope these cells come fucking crashing down now. Next 15-minute candle closes.
It's respecting everything there, eh?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, mate. Someone taking them impulse buys there just lost fucking 10 pips instantly. This is why I don't take any impulse trades, guys. Just chill out. Hasn't closed above, so it's still in this range. Just wait patiently. Patience is key. I wonder if Daniel's in now. Assuming he probably is. Emotional damage. Yeah, that 30-minute didn't close above. I ain't touching that, like. I gotta wait for another 15 closure above. At least.
Yeah, I just scrolled back on his stream, and he entered when the 30-minute candle touched the SMA level, so we entered impulsive. Wanna buy?
Oh, 162,500. Oh, Daniel took the trade. Nice. Waiting for that first 15 or 30 minute of London is definitely the best idea in this situation. Exactly, Craig. Exactly. So there we go, coming down already. But you know, if you guys sat here and you've been patient and you didn't get into a trade, chill out. And make sure you like the stream. This is how you trade properly, you know? Don't rush into trades. What do you think about Official Ins? Amazing, really good trader, class. She's dead canny as well, she's really nice. On Tuesday, the daily hasn't flipped yet, so 4 hours bullish and daily bearish. You're still going to get into a buy above current resistance? Yeah, but I think the sells may be coming soon. And in that case, I am joining the sells. I'd rather have the sells. My whole bias is sells. I just think that the zone above there was pretty nice to get the little cheeky buys, but I'd rather have sells, right?
Yeah, I agree that 4 hours is bearish. That's nothing for me.
Yeah. Yeah, Daniel Savages and buys again. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, he's he's currently now in about
20 pips draw.
16 pips drawdown on a 30 lot.
I was gonna ask, what is his stop loss? I don't follow.
His stop loss was
How big are they normally?
0.73.
So
He hasn't kind of big stops. 30 pip stops. Is
yeah,
that
but he's more like a swingish trader. You know?
Yeah, he holds
I mean, it's not just a scalp, but I mean, he's definitely going for longer term positions. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So look, man, we've already broken the low of the previous hourly, the 30 minutes. So yeah, these sells are gonna be nice. So hold your nutsacks. If we miss this entry here, then I'm just gonna get into this entry. So. You can see the 4 hour now. Nice. Flip that 4 hour, bitch. I'm new here. What are the main pairs you trade? GJ, AJ, and gold. Oh my god, I had a comment on my Instagram like a couple of days ago of that. Some guy, like, I was talking about how, like, if there's no trade, just leave the charts, you know. I posted it like that. And he goes, there's always opportunities. You just got to look at more pairs, you know. There's like 30 pairs. You need to look at every single pair and find, you know, there's always a one move. Don't just sit there for 2 hours and do nothing, you know. There's always moves. And I go, oh my god. Like, holy shit. Yeah, there's always moves on different pairs which you don't know how they move on.
It's about as smart as saying, oh, there's 10 slot machines. I'm going to play them all together. Just one might play.
Exactly.
When last did you guys take a GA sell or a buy? When last did you guys trade GA?
I haven't taken a GA one in fucking time. Look at Goldie. Oh, that's nice structure if there's anything that was bearish about it, but there just isn't really. I mean, that low wick there. How much is that stop there? Oof. But it's just a retracement, right? At any point it can just come and fly back up. You're in gold cells, nice. Roche, you are smashing it again. Come on, GJ, get past. Don't just range until 12 o'clock, please. Yeah, he just said there's more ways to take trades on. He's like, you should be looking at different ones. I'm like, oh my god. The whole Instagram post that I put on there was just how that is not a vibe. And he just goes, nope. There's too many charts to look at. There's loads.
Yeah, I agree if you're swing trading, because then you have time to spend a couple of hours looking at 20 different pairs and then deciding which one looks good. But if you're scalping, it's impossible.
Yep. Exactly. Exactly. Is AJ doing anything? Ooh, 4 hour. Sells below 93,420. Could be okay. Could be okay dokie. Let's take a look. Yeah, look at this guy. This is it. It's so stupid that the dude says he waits for the market to make a move, so he sits for 2 hours. Like, bro, every day before the market opens, get you 40, 50 pairs, and then check FX calendar, which will eliminate 20, 30 trades. So you got like 20 or 30 pairs. You have a great potential in, and take the half or some. I was like, what? 40 or 50 pairs on my fucking terminal. Jesus Christ. That's ridiculous.
It's good that there are people like that, because, you know, when we win a trade, it's those people that provide the money.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I see some people have like 6 screens. Yeah, but you can't master 40 pairs. It's ridiculous. Trading only one pair with patience can make a lot of money. There is no need to look into 40 pairs. Exactly. Exactly. Oh my god, gold just fucking nutted. That was nice. It's a shame that's just. Oh, I broke the 4 hour lows now, which is kind of nice, but yeah. Oof. Ask you to trade 50 pairs, offers you a referral link. Yeah. Join my broker and trade 50 pairs every day.
And you guys trade indices?
I think Brian trades NAS. Isn't that in the indices?
Yeah, US 30 and NAS 100.
Yeah. We go through
That's what I usually trade.
2:30. Yeah, join in at like 2 o'clock. We're all going through NAS. It's just at the moment it's just raining as shit. It's probably pushed out of there. Did it push out of it?
It went down and then went up, and now it's ranging again.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
No, it's gonna be it'll be the whole week because NFTs.
Yeah, you have to wait till Monday for that.
You gotta pass. Like, okay, myself and Jason did take trades last night on FMC, so that was fine. Yeah. But again, it was just faked out. It faked out the bottom, then it made another fake out the top. It's just this fake out cycle that it's.
Yeah.
Like the stops are just different on every fake out. You know what I mean? So it's hard to get those engines. They're there, you can get them, but you gotta almost like leave the analysis and just buy the rejection, like Milan does. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So I mean, GJ again, looking like it was gonna continue down and continue and flip this 4 hour, but look where it tapped the support zone. So it's reacted off it again, for like the 3rd fucking time. So I mean, I might have to change my signal again to a buy. Jesus Christ. I'm like, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Like, fucking hurry up.
Like last Monday. Or
Better than
something.
a loss.
Better than a loss. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, come on, Max. You just sit here for 2 hours.
Yeah, I just stayed for 2 hours. Fuck,
Yeah,
man. My 39% last month wasn't enough. Fuck's sake. He made up clearly 139%.
Yeah, he crushed it, that guy.
Thing is though, when I see these trading arguments, because some guy was like kind of sticking up for it. He's kind of like, dude, that's why you're still no millionaire and chatting on Instagram. Oh my god. And then he tells him like how much he's making, a week or a day or whatever. It's like, okay. They always go that. They go, well, I made a return on investment of 20% this month or week. Like, okay. Whatever you say. Max, would you say gold 1920 end of the week, NFP bad day and weekly resistance 1920? Let's see, look. Where did the daily candle close? Oh, all the way down here. 1920 maybe pushing it a little bit. 2 days left. I mean, yeah. I mean, 19, 17, 18 could be a push. I'd say that what we're gonna get is 1908. Let's see. But this gap from here, I don't know if we're gonna push that far this week.
You'll probably have to wait till Friday night.
Yeah. What was the percentage gain of your most profitable month? It depends on what year, what month, what year I was doing it. But I've definitely had some very big months. I wouldn't say not recently, as in like huge, as in like nearly 100%. But definitely during uni when I was doing the funded things, I was smacking them. So yeah, I'm not sure how to send a chart, but I hope this is good. Oh yes, thank you very much. Yes, that's the proper way to send a chart. Let's take a look then over here. Oh my god, GJ's still not doing anything. What are you doing, GJ? Looking like the gold sells would have worked out. Let's take a look over here. So buys above 18.99. Yeah, pretty reasonable. Sells below 1893. I think the sells below 1893, sorry, is probably not the best. Why? Because it's not below this level. I think it'll be sells below there. Be careful of that little bit of support on the left hand side there. I think sells below that support would be a little bit easier. And then, safer buys 1902 for sure to continue up. Took 2 gold, 1 L, 1 W. Nice. You got in too early. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at how you could have got into the cells. So the first thing that you can see is, yeah, this big rejection. So how did you get in a bit too early here, Sashin?
So if you have your support there, you can see that, and then first candle. So the 15 minute that touched the resistance at the top, then closed bearish. Going breaking the lows, and I had my stop loss at the second retest, so not the first support, the second support.
Yeah.
And then problem was it was too early. It was like 7:15 or something.
Yeah.
But the problem is I didn't look at left on the hourly. If you draw a line on the hourly from the left, it's right there. You see it?
Oh, wait.
So there's if you withdraw it from the bodies, it was touching the bodies of that thing. And then once it cleared if you go back at 15 again, then this bearish candle that closed below the green candle, it broke the highs and closed bearish. So no, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Just the one before.
There.
No, right. Just the one, the current candle, one before that.
I don't know. Anyway, tell me a time.
Current candle. So 7:45.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that one broke the highs. cleared the support, and the next one is just stops above, break the lows.
That's not bad. 25 pips stop. 44.
Yeah, as soon as it was in 5-6 pips profit, I was current candle stops, and then
yeah.
So
Look at GJ. Ooh, shit. Reversal. Give you that reverse Uno card again. Still didn't coast fucking below though, so I ain't playing in the zone. As you can see pretty clearly, it would be not a good time. Not a good time at all. So yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. 108 likes already. Amazing work, guys. GG for cells again. Yep, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming soon. It's broken the hourly lows, so it's good confirmation for it to continue. Got a feeling it's going to move around 9. Oh, maybe. I just hope it doesn't just come back and just range. And you know, I want a really clear setup. If it's not a clear one, then you know I am a bit cautious because I know the news is coming out at 12 o'clock today, and it may just range until then. So any like kind of cowboy little scary entries, I will not be participating in. So yeah, this is definitely one of the most entertaining trading live streams. Yeah, we have some good fun on here for sure. You should have seen it a couple months ago, man, bro. I used to get so hyper on the trades and make it like, I'm like, TP smash, bitch. I'm like fucking jumping up, like screaming at this computer. I'm like, fucking run! Do you use the same strategy as Donvo? Yeah, pretty much. The only difference is that he doesn't look at 15 and take 15 trades really anymore, whereas I do. He uses like hour stops or 30-minute stops. I'll just use 15 and 30 as well. Okay, this is GJ. Very nice. No trade. Yeah, no trade zone. Good. Identify a little no trade zone. Sells below 162, 180. Yep, and that'll be the 4-hour flip, right? Near that area to continue down. Close partials on the monthly resistance. Very nice. I think I saw that. Beautiful. I think that's a great idea. How can you talk so much if you've got a sore throat? Yeah, it just hurts every time. Those drivers actually did work, you know. My stream hasn't like farted, like brain farted in like two times. Yeah, you sorted me right out. Why not sell now? Clean candles? Where are the clean candles, my brother? Where are the clean candles? I think you mean this, don't you? But if you just take a look a little bit more to the left, this is not clean. This is clean. So I'm waiting for a closure here so I can get this clean zone. So yeah. So can you tell me mine mistake? Beautiful. Yes, I want people to send me in their losing trades. Please, losing trades. Much more interesting looking than just a winner. Okay, US franc. Has this just happened now? I think it has. You got another break of the highs. You're looking, you know, happy. So yes, I'll go through this in a second. Just taking a look at how long we got left. I want to be ready for this trade. So all right, okay. US dollar, Swiss franc. Let me just take a look at the higher time frames first. Yeah, take a look. Okay, so 1 second. Yeah, we're coming down nicely. 10 minutes left. I mean, US dollar, Swiss franc. Look what happened in the news yesterday. Very bearish, right? The last daily candle closed bearish. Okay, so the first kind of thing is, yes, we're overall bullish for most of the time, but most times when you get a daily bearish closure, you're going to get the next candle being a little bit bearish over here. So it has a bit of selling pressure. For me, the best thing to do after a big bearish move like this is waiting for resistance to form. Okay, and can you see you've already kind of started to do that? So, you know, price continued up. Getting into buys has to be here. In this area. Getting in too high up here, you know, you can get towards a little bit of a resistance area. Let's take a look to the left hand side. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, you made a boo-boo here, guy. So, look to the left. Can you see you're right at resistance? Oh, I suppose you closed above. You closed above. That's actually not too bad. I think for me is the main thing is the bearish structure. How bearish it was from the daily closure. The hourly closed above. You took it just at 8 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is the issue. What I would think, right? So you can see here, there's clearly is a level of support, which has been held. It got broken there, but you know this is a level of support. This candle over here made the top wick back in the zone and flipped and continued down. Nice. It's a very, very key level. Can you see you just tapped it? So what I would want to be doing on buys in this pair, if this is a pair that I know how to work, would be a closure above here, because it'll be above the support. Then a lower wick in the previous zone, and then flipping into the next zone. So I think it's just your zones there. I think maybe just looking a bit to the left and draw your support lines, because they're really, really important. Even though it look clean and you're like, this is going to just launch, just take a look to the left hand side. This was the key level of support that it's been holding. You could have it there as well if you wanted a little bit higher up. But that is the level of support, and it hasn't closed above. So you got to be cautious. But really, really good. Send me more charts that you've lost. It's really good to look at.
Also, if you're trading any of the dollar pairs, you really need to do some reading on what the Fed is saying at any time of the day.
Yeah.
You just have to open the website of the Fed and just look at their statements and their news announcements. Trading the dollar looks easy, but it's you can get slapped easily on the lower time.
Oh yes. Sure can. Let's take a look what gold's doing now. Oh, there we go. So reacting off that level of support, that's where TP would be. Very nice. Is Daniel still in this trade? Still holding it. I'm still waiting for a closure. Plus, the US dollar pairs are heavily trading by high time frame firms, so heavy duty manipulation. Yeah. Yeah, USD pairs for me are not a vibe, I don't think. 123 likes, amazing stuff. Yeah, I'm still waiting patiently. AUD JPY close below. Nope. I have a feeling this may just range for this news to fucking come out, which is great. I may try a buy stop and a sell stop. Not gonna lie.
I'd go for the sell.
Yeah.
If you look at CAD CHF, I was looking for some sells. That like weekly support.
Oh, hourly's just flipped up. Sells right now? Really?
Yeah, like once it gets back up to the top. If you look back at the chart, it's almost touching the weekly.
Yeah. I think the issue. I think the issue that I would have with that is just taking sells when the daily's bullish, the last one closed bullish, strong. The 4 hour time frame's bullish, making some support to retest the highs. But yeah, I mean, ride the highs
Yeah.
if you can find some resistance. But for me, you know, being like a hero and taking these little cells, you know, like here, and catching this trade like here, the person that's done that has probably taken about 15 L's trying to take them there, you know, there. So it's not even worth, you know what I mean? Like you never find where the high is, and then the one time you do, it's like, well, I've already lost fucking 20%. Like,
Hey Max, you wanna hear some long trade?
what?
GJ 4 hour. Flip.
Yeah. So I mean, looking at the whole fucking morning, man. Oh, you're gonna get in on the 4 hour stops?
100 pips. TP on 4 hours.
100 pips, dude.
Yeah, just look at the chart.
Look at gold. Fucking hell, man. Jesus Christ, I am ill. Wow, gold is launching. Jeez. Retracing a little bit. Let's take a look then. Yeah, it moved kind of high. That's pretty good. Get well soon, Maxi. Oh, I need to, man. It's annoying me. 3 minutes left for this 30-minute candle. I really want it below there. If it's not proper, then I'm still gotta wait, man. I ain't rushing into this. Hovering on that shit suit for 2 days, yeah. He's vibing, you know. He's running around the house already, buzzing. Buying a dog from where they've came from, like a kind of like a very small like council flat is fucking vibes, you know. They're running around your fucking big house and they go in the garden like, whoa, they've got a massive garden. They're like running around like, shit, this is sick. They've been stuck in like a little tiny house, bless them. So how much would stops be on the 15 right now? 13 pips, that's not bad. That ain't too bad. Please, gold analysis. It's bearish, but you've probably missed the sells, so getting into sells now, you never know when it's gonna make some support. So you get in high or you don't get in at all, because these are the areas here that you get slapped on. Guys, wait for confirmation closures at least. Yes, exactly. Nearly 400 people in the chat. 400 people. Sheesh. So yeah, we've got a 100% win rate. We've only taken 3 trades this week, but it only started on Tuesday, and it's been pretty much a very, very news effective week. So that's fine. Out with my little little GJ trade there as well. I've actually taken that. We took that GJ one as well on Tuesday after stream, which is a lot of us got it. So I'm regular watching your videos. You're awesome. Ah, thank you. Yeah, minute time. Is it gonna get a nice closure for me? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to. Oh, I realized how to get controller's spreadsheet. Go on to controller's Discord and then do exclamation journal, and then you get it. Then you make your own. I remember when there was only a handful, and Antonio and Tempest Daily used to pop on. Congrats on the come up. Yeah, man. Back in the day, me and Antonio we were chilling. We still had not bad views though. We never really had like, I never like came on and had like 1 view. It's because like my Instagram was kind of big already. Well, not big, but you know, had some people. I think he's got a job now. I think he's got a proper job. Yeah. Oh, it's closed below. It's also broken the low pretty much instantly. Nearly. Oh, it hasn't yet. Oh, mate. 245. Oh, stops a little bit big. I need to wait for a top wick over here.
Come on, Maxi.
Yes. Okay, beautiful. Right, so I've got a sell stop right now below the current candle lows. 1 second. I'm gonna have my runner fucking all the way down there because this may run like a bitch. Beautiful. So the reason why I like it now, it's got a closure below. It's made the top wick. So now, if we reject, flip and break the low, we're gonna go downtown to the next level. Very nice. 1 second. Because it's got a top wick now, if it wants to reject that level and continue up, it can always do that. I couldn't care less. 1 second. TP2 is going to be at 161,900. 1 second. So right now it would be perfect because it's a 10 pip stop. If it breaks that 50-minute high, then unfortunately we're going to be coming back in the zone. But I'm still happy with it. If we get to, if you get to like 12 pips here, I may get in on the flip. Even though I'd rather not, but it'd save me 1.5 2 pips, something like that. Gold pushing. Oh, gold closed a little bit below. If you want to take a little bit of a trade on gold, I mean, it's making the top wick. Oh my god, the stops are beefy. But if I broke the low, stop loss above here, 23 pips, I might paper trade that. Yeah.
I had a bit of a different support marked there from a bit further back, and it closed right on what I had marked.
On gold?
Like literally bang on.
Oh, there. Yeah, I see it. 29th of April at 00, yeah. I think it's mainly the nice top wick for me in the drive. But yeah, you're right. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, it's hourly support. Yeah, sorry. Forget about that.
Yeah. Sorry, I was about to say that. I just didn't want to interrupt you.
Yeah. Hourly support. Oof. Yeah. 11 minutes left, so perfect time. I really don't want it to break that high. Come on, stay above you, stay below you, pussy. Don't break it and come back in the zone. No, don't, GJ. Oh, for fuck's sake, yeah. My GJ is gonna range until this news comes out at 12 o'clock. Sucks. Oh, that was gonna be a nice trade as well, man. Yeah, I'm deleting. Delete sell stops. So I've deleted it now. Why? Because the past 50-minute candle has broken the high of the previous. And it's coming back into the range. So, you know, when we have bearish structure, 30-minute is still valid for sure. Still look at the 30. Yep, it is. So, I mean, maybe later on, but for me, even if I got in on the 30, the stop loss is going to be 16 pips, and I do not want a 16 pip stop. And I do have a little bit of a feeling it may just range until this fucking news comes out, to be honest. When the news came out yesterday with the US, did USD JPY go up or down? I have to check it myself. Let's take a look.
Went down.
Went down. Okay. Oh yeah. Interesting. Oh, that's such a shame. That was gonna be so nice. Sucks. Sucks, man. But there you go. That's exactly, if that flipped there and broke the lows, we would have been hitting 10 pips pretty quickly. So that's all you gotta do. Wow, it traced all the way back up over here. I mean, closures back above. It's rejected them lows again. Fucking hell. 24 minutes left. Does it have enough juice? Max, do you use relative currency strength for trading? Nope. No, no, no. Daniel feels and say he is king with big stops. Yeah, but he also needs 30 pips from this to make it a 1-to-1.
I was just gonna say he's probably still in his stop loss area. Wouldn't see about it.
Yeah, he's still in it. He's still 7 pips in draw now. So you'll have to get to the to get 1% if you risk 1% of that trade. Sorry, not there. There. So he's got quite a while. He's gonna be in this trade for quite a long time. 4 hour did not make it the bottom wick on GE, so there's high probability to flip now. I don't know. I think it's just gonna wait for this news. Reflipping the hourly time frame again. Ah, that's such a shame. It's looking like a fucking barcode now. Barcode. Where's my AJ gone? I can't wait until this news fucks off, man. It's the news is so annoying. It's like, oh, go away. It's making charts just so rangy. I actually saw this week on Monday. I was like, oh, this week's gonna suck. It's just gonna be so boring to watch. Range, baby, range.
I'm gonna head off here.
Yeah, man. See you later, brother. See you for NY.
Yeah. 3:30, almost 4 o'clock in the morning.
I bet you're knackered.
Night, guys.
See you later, bud. So I mean, are people looking for buys now when we close above? Because my whole bias there now, and I was in sells. I don't know. We'll see. How long left for this closure? 7 minutes left, so quite a lot for the closure.
MX, what do you think AJ for buy creating some support now?
Is it? For me, it's just in a range above 93.694 would be nice.
Hey, Max, I have to thank you for bringing up dollar yen, because I kind of already forgot I opened the trade this morning.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I opened the trade earlier this morning.
Oh
And you bringing it up reminded me of, oh, fuck, I have to keep an eye on that.
No way. Yeah.
And you a link in the chat here.
My God.
But look at it.
Holy shit.
Ooh, full take profit.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at GJ fucking reject, boy. Rejecting, boy. When we consider counter trend trades, or should we just avoid doing them at all? No, you can do them as long as you've got, you know, a good strong confirmation. This is just a load of fucking volume coming in over here. But this has happened all week, and I just don't take trades of this shit. It's ass. It's just so impulsive. There's no structure behind it. You just fucking hold in hope and it's gonna push. Ooh.
Hold the 3 minutes split.
Yeah, it's just on the hourly support, but I mean, yeah, if you want to go on the highs, how big's the high? 13 pips. Did you look at the 5 minute? Oh, 5 minutes closing bearish. Yeah, I don't see why not. Really? I mean, the only issue is that hourly support, right? You get me. Looking like it's breaking the low. The 5 minute just closed. Oh, the 5 minute just closed below. Breaking the low of the previous 5 minute. I'm kind of tempted to just try and take that little sell over here on gold. You see how far it could push. The only thing is, as I said, is right at that hourly support. But you could try maybe a little cheeky 5 minute trade. If the 5 minute breaks the previous 5 minute low, because normally you'll get at least a little bit of a drive, right? How big would the stops be in this current 5 minute candle right now? Like 10 pips. Interesting. Interesting. If it breaks that high though, then yeah, it's holding that level, boy. If it breaks that 5 minute high, it's a no-go area. So look at the left here. Got it moved up pretty nicely, didn't it? Yeah, 1889. Let's take a look here. Another early morning entry in the higher time frame. Oof. On the hourlies. Very nice.
Yeah. It's all fib levels.
Yeah.
The other one, the US dollar yen, was also a fib level trade. Of course, you have to look at higher market structure and all that.
Yeah.
Easy.
So, how many of your students are full-time traders? That's actually a good point. I'd like to know. Ooh, I don't know actually. I have no idea. A lot of people here every single day. Roche is, I know. Brian is, I know. Vincent, are you? You're pretty much here every day. I don't know what you'd be working. It's not like the Aussie boys, where the Aussie boys can have a normal job as well and then trade both sessions.
Well, I only do this.
Yeah.
I've worked my whole life. My whole body is in pieces. So
it's killing you.
Now I'm sitting. I've worked in construction for 17 years.
Wow.
I worked underground in the mines for about a year and a half, and I worked in forestry for half a year, and that's it. Fuck it. So this is my thing now.
Been full-time for 7 years? Wow. Where is Jason? Jason is still probably celebrating Eid, I think. Tom's always shocked. Tom is. You fucking them stinking trades. You have to be. Can we buy with stop loss 1990? I don't know. I wouldn't buy it. Still pretty bearish. 30 minutes. Still got 16 minutes left. If this 30-minute candle, I mean, if this 50-minute candle closes kind of like this, I mean, it's gonna close like kind of strong. But if it breaks the low, it's still probably gonna push down. So I wouldn't be taking buys. Let's take a look. Daniel Savage eating now. Yeah, he's gonna get his 1% right there. 700. Oh, Jesus Christ, you have to hold that for a long time. And it looked like, let's look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, it just came out of nowhere, man. Hi, T4 Trade a scam ? I've never heard of them in my entire life. Never heard of them.
Hey Max, no buys on gold?
Milan, I just spoke about it. Come on, man, listen.
Yeah, just tell me why I'm asking you.
Because
4 hours
we're
doesn't-
bearish. We've broken the 4-hour
Check the
lows.
daily. Check the daily, please.
No, I know. The daily's fine. The daily has no bottom wick. The overall trend is still bearish. The 4-hour time has broken the previous low. I'm not happy with buys yet. I
Why
probably
the 4 hour now retest
retest what though?
this kind of support?
It broke the lows, man. Breaking 4-hour lows and gold. Oof.
Not on mine.
Not a vibe. Not on yours.
Yeah, on 4 hour. No.
So
I
GG
read the
back.
15 close bullish,
Yeah.
breaking the highs, everything. 5 minutes.
Yeah, go for it. Go for a little cheeky buy. But have you ever seen me take a buy when the last previous 30-minute candle is fucking that strong? No.
So you did everything.
I wanted to buy at GG as well, but it was yeah. I wanted buys above there, but Jesus Christ, not in one candle. Like, give me some time, boy. Oh, Rosh, man. Mate, you slap the trades. Fuck's sake. Oh, it's kind of close bullish now, though. Let's see, look at the... Oh, it's just that zone, man, isn't it? That zone's fucking horrendous.
I just want to see how far it pulls down, because that would be my only possible entry if I had to.
What? Getting in on the lows?
GJ, yeah, but I think it's got to come down too much to retest like that.
Here.
Yeah, that strong support, the resistance to, the breakout. So I just think it could cool down a bit too much, then it stops it too big.
Yeah. I agree. Let's take a look what the 4-hour looks like now. Yeah. My only issue is it just gonna range in this area for until 12 o'clock? Probably. So, where would it like to range? Well, exactly there. Like that. This is the perfect area where it ranges. So, it's like, do you want to just hop in? Let's take a look at the 5-minute now, though. 5 minutes looking good. Reflipping. Let's take a look at the 15. So, if you got in on the break of the previous highs here, 10 pips stop. Who's getting in on the highs? I don't have enough time to write a little signal over here, but let's take a look at the 15 here now, and the 5. Is it worth it? Is it risking it for a chocolate biscuit? 10 pips. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, the zone's pretty crap. But it's got a lot of volume. Yeah. We'll see. Breaking the highs right now. So if you get in there, you'd have a stop of 10 pips. It's not too bad. The only issue you have if you get in right here is your zone. So, I mean, here would be the first target, 12 pips. I mean, that's okay.
Yeah, gold is nice.
Huh? Yeah.
No, I'm just talking about gold.
Yeah. You'll still continuing, man.
It's back in the 4 hour.
Yes, brother. Yeah. We'll have to see. I still think it could continue. The only issue you have is this area here isn't really the cleanest, right? But with this bullish momentum, I mean, why not? Do 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 do. Let's take a look at Goldie again. Yeah, AJ coming back up on the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's just not nice, is it? It's a bit scary. Take a look at this 5-minute now. Break the highs, bitch. There we go. So it should be continuing. How far? You'll have to see. For me, I just think if this was a bit easier, if this was a bit cleaner, I think I would be in it. But at the moment, it's not, so. I'm just gonna leave it until this. You took this? No, I didn't, Oliver. I was just saying that's what it would look like. The only issue you'd have is that this zone here to the left is a little bit, on the choppy side. If this was kind of not here, and this is just clean there all the way up to the daily flip, then yeah, I don't see why not. But it's not. It's a little bit choppy. So if this 30-minute closes in 9 minutes time, bullish, then maybe some buys to continue up. That'd be kind of cool. We'll have to see. But as I said, this current week, just chill out. It's a heavily news effective week, so that's why you've seen a lot of ranges. Don't lose all your money that you gained in the past 3 weeks, because the last 3 weeks have been pretty good. So chill out. Chill out. Is that another 5-minute closing bullish? Oh my god, it is. Another one. For me, GJ legit GJ buy is 850. Yeah, above there. That looks pretty reasonable, doesn't it? Yeah. Looks pretty reasonable. Ooh. If AJ just looked a little bit cleaner, closed above there, it wouldn't be too bad, but it's a little bit shitty. Yeah, chill out, only do paper trading. Yeah, exactly, especially in this week. It's probably the best. Probably the best, for sure. I mean, yeah, like, even if I just take in 3 trades this week, I'm not asked. It's the long game, and I know one week we'll have a stinking trade over week, and then you won't care then. But it's just in these weeks where you're like, oh man, I want to take some more trades, but there's nothing there. Just hold your horses, just relax. Did you learn on Raja too? Yes. Oh, look at that rejection on AJ. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. You can see GJ's struggling over here, but I generally think now if it hasn't done anything from 8 o'clock till 8:50, it's just, it ain't going to do much, I don't think. I think GJ will be a good buy, at least 50 pips. Oh wow, that's optimistic. Very optimistic. If gold 30 minutes close bearish, would you take the trade? Bearish? Oh, the 30-minute close is bearish. In 6 minutes bearish, then yeah, probably, because it's rejecting pretty nicely. Yeah, probably would. Just take a look. Daily flip downwards and then 4-hour flip downwards. Does it increase probability of sell setup? Yes, for sure. Sure does. Looks like a 4-hour retest to continue down in GJ, but still no confirmations. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it's hard, isn't it? I generally think that we're looking at it too much, and when all you gotta know, and the answer is just that it's got a very, very strong, effective amount of news that's coming out in a couple hours time that's gonna move this bitch. So yeah, maybe a bit of fun in NY. I might take a sell stop. Why not? If not, then We'll just chill. We'll just chill. See if NY has anything for gold. But yeah, the hourly candle now closing in 5 minutes time, bearish. But really good analysis there. I mean, look at the 30, reacted straight off that support. Getting in on them little buys and supports though would have been a little bit risky. No hourly, no 50-minute bottom wick. So it just continued kind of aggressively, which is okay. But yeah, we'll have to see. Can't wait for tomorrow NFP. Oh, I mean, I want the news to fuck off, to be honest with you. It just makes charts just very rangy. When you draw your level at candle close on the higher time frame, do you consider the wicks? Wait, what? When you draw your level at candle closure on the higher time frames, do you consider the wicks? No, the body of the candles. Always about the bodies. All about the bodies. Oh, look at Goldie. Sorry, not Goldie. GJ's struggling. Can you see in the lower time frames? Look at the 5 minute. Struggling to continue. Oh my god. Mr. Savage may not get his TP over here. He needs to hold it back in here again. Oh my god. I could not hold a trade for that long. It'd fucking kill me. Are you from the UK? Yes. Oh yeah. You streaming NY, bro? Yeah, I always stream NY every single day with the mentorship group. Always do that. There's the link to join that, where you get simulations every week, webinars every week, drop-in sessions, homework, all that kind of stuff's included, and then access to the Zoom, so you can speak to me in here now on the London session, and also in NY. So there's a lot offered there. If you need that extra little bit of help. We've got a shitload of funded traders now. How many funded traders or nearly funded traders have we got over here? I mean, there's fucking loads. Good percentage. It is monthly. Also, people in the YouTube, I already did it. I'm already gonna do a Magic Keys giveaway from the comment section on one of my last couple videos on Instagram. But I'm also gonna do followers. So if you haven't followed me yet and you just watched me for some reason and haven't followed me on Instagram, can you make sure to go follow me and you'll be entered in the giveaway. That'll start right now. So any followers now that are followed, so 857. Let me just write that down. You'll be entered in. So yeah. Are you Chinese? Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Are you Chinese?
Yeah, because of your eye, man.
Because of my eye. Oh my god, Milan. I don't have that Chinese eyes. What the fuck? I know I have like a bit.
Yeah, your grandmother is probably Chinese or Japanese.
I've got too much hair for that. Chinese people don't have hair. I'm a fucking hairy guy. I'm more like fucking Middle Eastern.
Yeah, my girl just subscribed you.
Wait, what? Oh, your girl just subscribed. Nice. Wait, your girl not have Magic Keys yet?
She don't.
No, I don't.
Oh.
Okay.
Magic Keys. He's Brazilian there. Nah, he's from Africa. Oh my god. What the fuck are these?
He's a fucking midget.
He's a what? Midget?
Yeah, Frodo. Hobbit.
Fuck, I am not a fucking midget. I have bigger shits than you, Milan. Ah, fuck, I'm so ill. Let's take a look at that 30 closure. 37 seconds, so let's see, look. Hourly closed bearish, hasn't closed below the support though, so sell, I'd say now sells below 1892 are going to be kind of nice, I think. Clean candles should be pretty good. People who may have got into that goal at GJ trade there, you know, just always think about the zone, you know, even if it's a, you know, actually may work out nicely here, but you may have got caught out on the 5 minutes because it pushed down kind of hard. Just always go, you know, is this the right area for me to take trades in? I am just in a range. You You know, is it going to hold out, or is it just going to range until this news comes out?
I'll see you for New York, Max, and the boys.
Yeah,
Catch
see you later,
yous.
my boy. I'll message you about your chart in a sec, my man, when I finish this. Don't you
All
worry.
good, bro. Oh, I didn't know if you were getting them or not. That's all.
Yeah, I got it. I saw it last night.
All good.
I saw it last night, but I was just rather intoxicated.
I'll catch you.
See you later, bud. Okay, so the 50-minute, the 30-minute time frame closed above, but then it's also the resistance there as well. So yeah, AJ not in a nice area. Finally doesn't scrape his mic against his balls. Milan finally doesn't scrape his mic against his balls. This YouTube chat today has been a vibe. AJ looking
Yeah,
nice in
AJ
the 30-minute? No. Your mic before was fucking awful, Milan. I want to literally break your fucking mic every time I heard it.
Yeah.
You just absolutely scrape it along your ball sack and then go, it wasn't me. You go, oh my god. You're the only one unmuted. It clearly was you. Yeah, I thought AJ was going to look nice because my zone was a little bit lower down for the 15, but look at the 30. The 30's right at resistance. So I'll normally mark my charts on the 50-minute time frame. You can see here it's a bit choppy anyway. But if I see, you know, the 15 looking okay, but the 30-minute not looking nice at all, like this, can you see how this candle here hasn't closed above this resistance? Then I won't take it. You know, I want at least the 15 to look nice and the 30 to look nice. Oh my god, GJ, you gonna do it?
Yeah, I actually have my buys above on EJ. I have them on look here, 93, 828.
828.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you go to the 4-hour chart, you'll see why.
Yeah.
Yeah. Above that, it's clean. It's a nice big zone. So I'd rather wait and have a very high probability trade than just jump in early and get his money.
Yeah. I swear, man, Daniel Savage is so lucky. Yesterday's stops were missed by 2 pips and today by 5. Well, it's because he's got big ass stops, right? But when you've got big ass stops, you need a big ass gains. So Mr. Savage over here needs to get. I mean, wait, where was his stops? Let me actually just see the actual numerical value, just to put you into some context here, just for different trading styles, just to see, you know, big stops, small stops. So his stop.
Next, let's go buy now.
Nope. I can't be asked for gold buys. So yeah, it stops with 30 pips. Gold buys. Look at the hourly, Milan. Come on, man.
Look at 30. Flipping maybe. Or on the
Look at
high.
the 15, man. I'd rather wait for sells below here, if I'm honest.
Yeah, that's more safer.
Yeah. But yeah, so it stops at 30 pips, right? And his TP isn't even 1-to-1, right? But anyway, let's just say it was 1-to-1. So his 1-to-1 is, you know, there. So when I get my little small, very quick trade, which I was gonna get here, if that made the top wick broke the low there, I would have got 10 pips in about 15 seconds, and that would have been a 1% trade. But you know, some people have, you know, like Savage's style, you know, bigger stops, so he has to have the bigger reward, but the same percentage gain. But obviously he holds on for a lot longer. So it basically means, I mean, as long as you've got your stops, because you can see you always have stops below big levels of support that are holding quite nicely. You know, it's likely it's gonna hold. The issue is you're gonna be in a trade for a very, very long time. And for me, psychologically, I fucking hate that, man. Being in a trade for ages just sucks. Yeah. Being in a trade for more than 30 minutes is not a vibe if you're not in profit. It's painful. Oh my god. Gold breaking the lows of the previous 30. Impulse trade. How much would the stops be? Oh, it's kind of nice. 28 pips. Should continue down. Hourly is coming down, breaking the previous lows. Very, very strong. Yeah, I might paper trade this now. Unfortunately, I don't think I can get in. Came down way too fucking quick there. Jesus Christ. It just shot down. So yeah. Hi Max, would you consider sells if the 50-minute close below 550 creating resistance at the rangy FOREX level, wick up and break the low? Is this GJ? No, absolutely no. No. I know what you mean though. I know what you mean, close your back in the zone, like resistance 4 and stuff, but one, there's news coming up and we should have moved nicely already. We haven't. Two, taking a look to the left hand side, we are in a massive range, so it's not like as clean as like it was before. The closure's back in the zones. We are in a big ass range now. And you know, secondly, the price action in this area seems to be kind of contradicting. It seems to be going down one time, you know, moving all the way back up. I ain't getting into zones here. You know, I wanted trades, you know, here or there for the push. Getting in here now is just in the zone, and I'm not happy with that. So, do you include one-on-one mentorship also in your VIP course if anyone wants 1-hour sessions? No, but I may do that like as a separate thing for people. But I mean, we have the drop-in sessions, which no one uses, by the way. Everyone in the chat, I have drop-in sessions every like 2 weeks, where I sit in a Zoom call for as much time as people want to ask questions. So that's pretty much one-on-one for asking you your one-on-one questions. But clearly, because I'm too much of a good teacher, no one asks any questions. But yeah.
I was just about to say that.
Oh, that 5-minute breaks that low. 5-minute stops. How much would they be? They would be 12 pips. Oof, that's nice. People want to go for that, fair enough. I just don't think I'll be able to right signal in time. Because if it flips there, it's going to drive down. It's going to break the previous hourly lows as well, pretty much at that time. Close to, anyway. 2 minutes, 43 seconds left. 5 minutes. It's got half of the time in the candle. So I'm going to paper trade this, I think. Because I don't have enough time to write signal, and if I take a trade, everyone's going to be pissed that I take it. 1892.2 would be the signal. It's also retesting the previous area. If it breaks and exceeds that low, oof, my god. Going to 1889.7. Right. I'm actually gonna put this on. Let me just put mine. I'm gonna have a go at this. If the 5-minute breaks this previous low here, I'm gonna take a little 5-minute trade over here. So yeah, because it's got a nice top wick for me, retesting the previous zone. So we'll see. Okay, it has entered me in a trade over here. Let's take a look. Very strong 15-minute candle, bitch. Oh. That's a big top wick, boy. I wanted that drive and you didn't give me it yet. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Yeah. It's a nice tight stop though, so we'll see, we'll see. Problem with using stop losses, if any news comes out and your account gets slapped and blow out. Oh, is that someone saying with no stops? Oh god, you gotta have stop losses, man. You gotta have stop losses, bro. Oh, I might get stopped out over here. 12 seconds left, closing back above. Yeah. That sucks. That was a bit of a risky one, but I just like the 5 minute making that top wick over here. Yeah, I got out. That just sucks. It's a little 10 pip loss over here. Let me just put this on. However, when is this 50-minute closing? 4 minutes left. This 50-minute closes back below. Oh my god, second entries maybe. Oh, no way. It's gonna fucking do it now. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's gone. Oh! Did that people stay on over here?
What's the odds?
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fuck. The fucking last minute of that. Oh my god. That was nice. So it should continue down over here. Did anyone not get stopped out there, or did anyone actually take that trade? I know it was very quick.
That sucks balls.
That sucks hairy ass balls, right? So you got in there. 1 second. Let me just look at this. Trying to think of where else I could put my stops, but the only issue, yeah, there's no real place. Let's take a look over here. Perfect entry strategy, and you will never need a stop loss. Oh my god, he said that yesterday as well, that guy. That was a nice little push towards there. How much would that actually would have gone anyway? Oh yeah, 12 pips, that would have been nice. Well, what can you do? Beggars choosers. I look nice to continue. That motherfucker whipped straight up. Let's take a look at GJ over here on the 30-minute. Yeah, man, I can't wait until this news comes out, man. Just fucking move it. Please. Let's be Sage was right in this instance. No, but I got 12 pips though. I think I would have cashed out there, maybe. I mean, it still would be on, to be honest. So it wicked me out by literally. Yeah, maybe I should have put my stop a little bit higher over here. Where did I put it? Yeah. So let's see then if it continues down. I'm still going to look at this. So the 50-minute time frame is closing in 2 minutes time. Very, very nice. Oof. Very, very nice. Don't you think it's worth holding gold until it makes a daily bottom wick? Let's look at the daily. Well, it's 100 pips away though, man. It's 100 pips away. I wouldn't risk that yet. Okay. Let me just get rid of this one because I may try and enter this again if this makes a nice top wick again. For some sells, because the 30-minute now, it's broken the lows. It should continue down. There's clean candles to the left-hand side here to the 1887. So we'll see. Second. There we go. So yeah, minutes time. We'll see. Let's take a look over here. People got W's. People held that trade on, I can see. Oh my god. Some people held them on over here. Nice. Oh yeah, the stop was a little bit higher. That would have been tasty. Just show me your P. That's so funny. Joe in the chat, Sage, show me your P and I'll never use a stop again. Some guy in the chat saying he never uses stop losses. Show me the money and I'll never do it again. Just take a look at the 4 hour where it's at. Yeah, man. We'll see. Okay, so the 50-minute did close below. Oof, very, very nice. Very nice. How much should stops be in the previous 15 now? 29 pips. That kind of sucks balls a little bit. Breaking of the lows over here. Whoa, there's a lot of volume coming in. Oh my god. Look on the 30-minute. Still looking like it's going to continue down, and especially with that rejection, 50 minutes closed below. The issue is your entries and your stop losses, okay? So, we have to wait for this top wick and then break of the lows again on the 15.
So, Max, is this a possible re-entry then?
Yeah, maybe. If this next one makes a little top wick over here and then breaks the low. So right now, if it breaks the low, stop is 17 pips. That's not actually that bad. Look at this hourly time frame. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll see. Let's take a look. I can't wait for GJ to finish this news, man. I miss GJ. GJ, come back. And AJ, same thing with AJ. Just in this little range over here. Consolidation. Agree to disagree, just do you. I do you stop loss and always, but happy to hear another perspective. I'm sorry, but telling people not to use a stop loss is horrible advice. Maybe. Let's take a look then. I may not take this, but I'm just gonna watch it. So if it breaks that low, stop loss above the current candle, 17 pips. To continue down, maybe. To continue further down. So we'll paper this together. When it breaks that low. So imagine a sell stop over here. Sell stop paper trade. Has it broken the low yet? Not yet. Nearly, I think. Nearly. Look at the 5 minute, 1 second. Yeah, nearly. Oh. Okay, looking like it's gonna break. Clean candles to the left. Continue to 1887. So let's paper this. Stop loss right here on the high. That's probably what you would do. What is a paper trade, bro? Just going through the motions, you know, don't just go, oh, let this worked out later. It's just being in the trade right now. So thinking exactly what you'd be doing, just going through your motions. You know, it's a good thing to do. Paper trading I do quite a lot, you know. So everything's looking good right now. How would I manage risk right now? Probably couldn't, you know. But going through the motions whilst you're kind of like in a trade, even though you're not, you know, you're papering it, is a really good thing to do. Have we broken the previous hourly lows? Yes, we have. So we should continue down over here. We'll see. I know, Oliver, that sucks. Literally, with the fucking just a little tap. That's the thing with getting in 5 minutes. It's like, is that the top wick? So here we go. Hopefully, should be continuing now to 1887. So paper trade is normally also for people in stream or in Zoom who may be a bit confident with it and maybe not taking that first trade, want to get in and I think it's a good option. You know, there's a lot of reasons why I do paper trades. Maybe because I've already taken a loss, don't want to take an extra trade. But just giving you guys the opportunity if you guys fancied it. But yeah. Is that guy still rambling on about having no stops? Oh my god. Let's take a look what the VWAU is doing now. Yeah, nice. I mean, it's kind of clean candles all the way back down, man. Holy shit, this could be interesting. be interesting. I'm very salty now. It worked me out, fuck's sake. But hey ho, what can you do? This may be a big runner downwards. You have to see. I think for me, I mean, higher up there with the 8 o'clock looked like it worked pretty nicely. But yeah, I mean, you know, the 4 hours broken the lows. It's got clean 4-hour candle all the way back down. Just how much momentum it has to continue, really. 1873 possible. 1873. Oh, sorry. You might be looking at the blue line. I didn't actually do this. No, I mean, 1881 is going to be a good target. Yeah, I think 1881 at the daily flip. And if it flips that daily and continues, then it's going to go to 1876, right? 1876 right here. That would be nice. I know some people in the Zoom are in this trade. They're ready for it to push over here. Let's take a look at ways how you'd manage right now. No, still nothing. If that 5-minute flips and breaks the low, you should get a nice little drive down over here.
After we break the lows, I think we can put close 50% above the 5-minute candle.
Oh, Michael, are you still in my trade? Oh,
no, I'm not in the trade.
Yeah. Paper in it. Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
No, I finished my challenge. I'm waiting for to reach 10 days. And I'm taking trades on that account, the little one. But I can't trade gold.
Yeah, look at that. GG's still not having it. My God, is Daniel still here? He's still holding it. Hey bro, I am new to trading and learning to make up markup charts. What annotation tools do you place writing on your charts? Just text here on the trading view. Yeah. Yeah. Just text at the side. Yeah. You hold it till TP? No, I think probably getting a 1-to-1. I'd probably do that for sure. So like in these clean wicks, I mean 30 pips there could be easily kept. So yeah, I mean if you want to hold on for 30 pips, go for it. You know, I don't see why.
Yeah, not. I think now is the time when I put close 50% on the current highs.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Would you still enter the trade if the price closed in the middle of the zone?
Well, like right now?
Still have entered it.
Like here?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, so your stop would be like 25 pips. Gain would be 25. Yeah. Still not too bad for sure. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's pretty reasonable. Yeah. So let's take a look at how you would have got in. You would have got in 7 pips profit. Let's take a look at GJ. Still 328 people in here. Amazing work. 161. Like, sheesh.
I've noticed when taking a trade, like gold, for example.
Yeah.
When price closes below the support, and then you wait for a wick to the support again, and then it's rejecting the support, so support becomes a resistance. I find that works best.
Yeah, it works nicely.
But you need to wait for the wick to reject the resistance.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so jealous. Why didn't I just hold that on? But it's just, where would you put your stops, man? That 5-minute looked tasty. It's just unfortunate. Some of those things happen, especially in the lower time frames. So when you go at 5 minutes, those things do happen, unfortunately. You know. So I mean, right now you'd be in nearly 9 pips profit. You know, it's enough areas to still continue down. Would you put
And
a
Max,
stop?
when will you move your stops to break even here? Because I've got in a bit earlier. I'm on 15 now.
15 pips. I'd put it at break even now. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, you got it on the signal, man. And just got in the
Yeah,
later on. Nice.
92.20. Yeah.
Nice. 92.20. Oh, just after it fucking wicked me out, you got in.
That would break even. Would break even.
Yeah, I'd put break even. 15 pips and 1-to-1. I don't. Yeah. We'll see. I think it still should continue down over here. I'm gonna wait until it does. But, would I have put break even on this one? Probably not. To manage risk.
No. After we flip.
Yeah.
The 5 minutes.
4 minutes left
And
for
break
this candle.
Yeah, let's see if we break the high.
On the 5 minute, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what you do. You have your stops there now. Yeah, it's reasonable.
Yeah, I think it's reasonable now.
I think if I was in this trade already and it got to 9 pips, I may have just put a break even. We'll see though. I still think this is gonna drive. It's just taking a while.
Yeah, I was thinking the same because we have that wicks for the left hand side.
Yeah. Come on, bitch, push. I know some people on YouTube are in this trade. I know some people are in it. It's a good option. Just needs a little bit of a push. Almighty push. Oh, Savage is gonna go.
We literally got tapped out by like a pip.
Yeah. Wow. If so I know some people here would have had their stops a little bit higher, and they would have been fucking Gucci. But yeah, I literally got stopped out by a pip. Don't rub it in anymore, Finn. On the first one. There you go.
Now stop to break even.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Now stop loss to break even. Here. And there you go. Look at that. 5 minute didn't eradicate there. Should be pushing nicely. So 15 pips. You're up. Yeah, 8. Still not enough yet. It should get a drive down now to the next little zone. 1887. Come on, do it for the gram.
It hasn't broken that 5 minute yet.
Also, would you
there it is.
trade with if the candle closes with no wick on the top or bottom?
Yeah, I wouldn't like that, especially on gold.
Like, so you wouldn't enter.
No, I wouldn't enter here now. I don't think. I think it's too far in the zone. I want to. You gotta get in there. Here, I think here's.
No, not right now. But for example, the previous candle, if that candle closed like with no bottom wick.
Yeah.
Would you enter?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so. No. So there you go. So very nice. Unfortunately for me, my little first entry was a bit fine. But there you go. 14 for 16, so nearly 1-to-1. Beautiful. So yeah, I think that whole thing was beautiful. Maybe I should have just waited for that 15 and then break of the lows. But you know, you always learn from them. My issue was I got stopped by 1 fucking pip. But that was good. So well done for people taking that. I know some people in the YouTube took that. Yeah, they're all doing W's. They definitely closed it. I got 1-to-1, closed 80%. Beautiful work. Well done. I wonder if people in Zoom who took that gold trade. I know some people did. Went through a gold trade over here. Easy work. Very, very nice. First entry was a little bit hard on the 5 minute, and then after people took this beautiful trade, clean candles to the left. Very nice. Nice little 1-to-1 for you guys. Let's take a look over here. Let's go. No, I'm kidding. Brian. And take a look over here. So how far did that come up to over here? To see. Beautiful. So yeah, I think that was a nice little thing. I mean, breaking on those lows, yeah, with stop losses above that kind of like support was a nice kind of entry. So potato head, my first trade was a win. Oh wow, what, your first trade ever? That was your first trade ever. Oh my god. Max, does this count as a loss or a win on your trade? I mean, I papered it, so I didn't take it, but I gave you guys the options. So What do you guys think? Am I gonna get roasted if I put a win and a loss? So you guys, see you later, brother. I took it but got stopped out at the same time as you did. Yeah, Warren. A little bit. A shame. What's your standard stop loss on gold? I mean, it really averages from like 10, 12 pips to 16 to 20. My maximum will be 25 if the zone is like huge. So yeah. Oh, it still would be in. You still wouldn't have got hit out. Oh my god. Go on, hit that 1887. Finished off the stream, boy. Over 2,600 views on the stream this morning. Jeez. GJ is still in this zone.
Like, I'm watching GJ with a sword. I'm just waiting for like any kind of confirmation I can get.
Yeah. Nothing, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have put my stop so a little bit higher, and I would have fucking had a great trade there. Ah. Well done for people who moved their stops a little higher this one. It would have been fine. Beautiful. Right. So see you guys in my see you later, my man. Yeah, so if it breaks this previous 50-minute low, another confirmation for it to continue back down to 1887. So yeah. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Yeah, right. So guys, I really would advise leaving JPY and AUD JPY until this news comes out. You're gonna have some serious issues here. It ain't gonna be pleasant. It's gonna be rather annoying. I'm gonna be intrigued to see how long Daniel's gonna hold this trade on for. Hopefully it just works out soon, but fuck, I just can't see him doing that right now. Imagine holding on that trade for like 4 hours. Oh my god. And it isn't like a swing trade. It's like, oh my god. Catch you guys later. For me, cheers, Max. See you later, my man. See you later. So yeah, I think I may leave it off over here because the pairs are just ranging. There's big ass news coming later on. You know, do not risk that because you will probably regret it. Oh my god, this is spamming. Fuck off. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it off here. Thank you guys. Yeah, it would have been break even there, but would you have closed any 14 pips? Yeah, you probably would have 15 pips, 15 pip gain. It's probably the first TP you would have hit, so pretty nice. So yeah, thank you so much guys for coming on. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Zoom, I'll see you guys at 12 o'clock. Adios amigos. Adios. See you later guys. Peace out, man. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much. Peace out, man. Adios amigos.